A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant move that has stirred the political waters, President Donald Trump signed an executive order on Thursday that aims to prevent banks from denying financial services to individuals based on their political beliefs or lawful business activities. This practice, often referred to as debanking, has been a contentious topic in recent months, with allegations surfacing that certain financial institutions have discriminated against clients for their political affiliations. Trump's executive order asserts that it is the policy of the United States that no American should face barriers to financial services due to their constitutionally or statutorily protected beliefs, affiliations, or political views. The order emphasizes that banking decisions must be grounded in objective, individualized, and risk-based analyses rather than subjective political considerations. Earlier this week, Trump made headlines by accusing major banks like JP Chase and Bank of America of rejecting over $1 billion in deposits due to political reasons. During an interview with CNBC, he expressed his frustration, stating, "The banks discriminated against me very badly." This sentiment was echoed by former Kansas Governor Sam Brownback, who alleged that he was debanked by JP because of his conservative religious views, a claim that the bank has vehemently denied. The issue of debanking extends beyond high-profile figures, as banks have also faced criticism for canceling accounts of customers involved in cryptocurrency ventures or supporting conservative causes, such as Second Amendment rights. In his executive order, Trump highlighted the detrimental effects that debanking can have on individuals, noting that victims have experienced frozen payrolls, crippling debt, and severe impacts on their reputations and financial stability. He stated, "Such practices are incompatible with a free society and the principle that the provision of banking services should be based on material, measurable, and justifiable risks." The order also mandates that banking regulators eliminate reputational risk and similar concepts from federal guidelines. Furthermore, it instructs the Small Business Administration to ensure that financial institutions make reasonable efforts to reinstate anyone who has been unlawfully debanked. To bolster these efforts, Trump has tasked Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent with developing a comprehensive strategy to address the issue of debanking, which may involve new legislation or regulatory measures. Banks found to be engaging in discriminatory debanking practices could face fines or other penalties as outlined in the executive order. Additionally, the order calls for banking regulators to review complaints and data regarding debanking incidents, aiming to create a more equitable financial landscape for all Americans. As this story unfolds, it remains to be seen how financial institutions will respond to these new directives and what impact this will have on the broader banking industry and its relationship with clients across the political spectrum. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.